Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox with another wonderful and a powerful tea for you today. This is so simple and easy, you guys, and I tell you, you will lose 10 pounds in 2 days. If you implement this in your everyday routine, early in the morning, and eat light throughout the day, you're going to see weight loss. So this tea is a diuretic tea. Now, parsley is a green herb and is very beneficial for our health and overall well-being. It has the ability to clean our kidneys and treat urinary tract infections. So this herb is going to help remove all that excess water in our bodies, okay? It's going to slim us down fast. It's going to expel that excess water in your body. And all you do is drink this every day, all right? And you're going to see some results really fast. Now, there's only 2 main ingredients in this drink. If you decide you want to add to it, you can. But I've done this already, and I tell you, I keep telling you guys, this is a powerful tea. Now, all you need is some parsley and 4 cups of water, okay? If you want, you can add some honey to sweeten. You can also add some lemon juice, okay, for an extra bonus as far as fat burning. But this alone right here is going to help your body to get rid of all of that excess water, okay? So if you feel bloated, this is going to do it, okay? So let's start with this video right now. Now, you're also going to need a pot. So make sure that you have your pot ready, because what you're going to do is you're going to put your water in your pot, all right? So there's already water boiling in our pot right now, all right? Then after that, we're going to need at least 5 tablespoons of our parsley. Okay, and we're going to be using the whole entire stalk, so even the stems. So regardless of the kind of parsley you have, you're going to use the whole entire herb. All right, so that looks about right there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to wash this thoroughly, and we're going to chop it into pieces. So I'll be right back. All right, so I am back, and now we're just going to take our parsley and just chop them down. Okay, so we're going to take 5 tablespoons, and they can be heaping tablespoons of our parsley. I basically wanted to use all of this that I chopped up, so it's okay. So if there's a little bit more than 5 tablespoons, that's fine. Okay, and we're just going to boil this for at least 5 minutes on a medium-low flame, and then we're going to allow it to cool and steep before pouring it. So I will be back after our tea is finished boiling, and we're going to let this cool down afterwards and steep it. Okay, so leave it on a low-medium flame and let it boil for 5 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so we're back, and our tea is cooled a little bit more, but you can steep this longer if you need to. And there you have it, you guys. What you do is you pop your straw in there, and now you have a wonderful tea that you drink every morning on an empty stomach, okay? Now, you do not drink more than 4 cups per day. So do not exceed 4 cups, all right? And I'm telling you, you're going to see some weight loss. You're going to see yourself drop. Now, in 2 days, you're going to lose that 10 pounds, okay? So just know this is a powerful tea. It is guaranteed to show some weight loss in your body, all right? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit that like button and also hit that notification bell along with selecting all so you will never miss another one of these wonderful videos. Also check out my other channel, Velvetlox, where you will see healthcare, skincare, fashion hauls, and family challenges on that channel, okay? And until the next one, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.